Doing how may I talk to my Benin people, my brothers and sisters. You want watch Mama Gladys? You watch a video no wa go on. Ya balome kwa, you know, life na yan woman no ma emi woman no na mo boro egbe me ni ma yare we bona no ta we oriyon masse nobody no ge masse oma so na so ga tell no emi me family ore we no owu we masse woman na ero egbe Emi ane Mama Gladys ga tale no de. O ma te ke no do atale no ga bun. Iye we with annoyance. So ya te many things Mama Gladys when we talota we. Ipani spoke si lava em casa. Ma understand emi family ya ado amuadi dagbo do ata. O temi no bungbe no deni. Really what me no bungbe una me tiju ye line Emma I know where you are on pain here what that way I know but some things emi so raw who keep ma understand many things no what I know there my sister I know you are on pain but who say so I make I speak English. Oh God, okay, make I speak because na Benin people have been want to talk to anyway. I dey talk about Mama Gladys with his sister. So wetin she dey talk yesterday, all wetin she talk yesterday, I know say she dey on pain. I know wetin she dey talk about. That is the pain. You know say if you don dey on pain, nothing wey you no go fit talk. I understand. But sometimes and something of family we have to leave some inside because nobody will not get here for this abroad though. Mostly this abroad where we dey so maybe before you come out for home your family una dey very tight, you understand, but one don dey Europe jealous go dey, two don dey, you know, everything you come be scatter I understand. So not only say that she go too far, you understand, she talk many things wey she not supposed to talk, which I know that even say she dey even dey cry yesterday. You know say sometimes when you something don pain you don pass, be careful, you go burst everything come out. I understand, but the thing pay me. But anyway, that one na for that one. About his sister, the sister na Italy na she fair dey. She no fit talk say she no know the law wey dey Italy. If she no know and I be say na she just dey for Italy for nothing. Before I go through that, before I go for his sister, what about the father? Because so they blame Mama Gladys, blame her, you are a bad woman, you are a this, you are a that. Me, I no blame anybody. What about the man wey born the children? What of the father? Because may we not just say Mama Gladys, may we just carry and may we just hang am because of say wetin happen. No, na person na that woman born that children for. Before we go condemn say may we just say may we just decide say okay wetin dey talk say before they talk say Mama Gladys this one that may we not just carry cutlass, may we say we wan just cut him head. What about the man wey born the children? Why the woman go sit down for Italy? Now this one let me dey talk now they talk about why you go sit down for Italy, your husband dey for sweet, wetin you dey do for there? Wetin you dey do for there? Why you no go where your husband dey? Yeah, she talk many things about her family, which is bad, which is very bad. You know, I know say now, you know say sometimes when you dey annoying, you no fit control, but it better make person dey control. Yeah, I know. Okay, the man dey prison, but you know wetin, my sister, before the man dey prison, where the woman no fit dey with her husband or make dem dey together? No be that one that they call husband and wife to stay together. So make we not just blame this woman say we go just say no na she no fit take care of his sister children this and that. May I tell una one thing, for Italy many people they don't know, you know say e get this adult if they want adult children, e get the one wey they call temperament, e get the one wey they call definitive adoption. If you there for Italy you understand wetin I dey talk about. She no get document anyway, even though say no get document. My sister princess, you know wetin e get the one wey dem dey call of course I no fit, you know say, because you know wetin Mama Gladys try, I no fit talk say she no try. I no just go inside wetin dey happen wetin no dey happen, you understand, because she marry oyibo, she get her own children, she get her own family, she dey stay with her own family. You know say you go build your future, you understand. Make we dey build our future, make we no come dey talk say na this one cause am, na this one no cause am, you understand. Make we no just give everything say Mama Gladys na bad person, Mama Gladys na this one no fit do this one. No, she even talk am say she even dey prison even that time, you understand. So this, why you dey fear Italian people? Italian people dey no do anything o. Wetin Italian people do, may I tell you, this when they adopt children na different way. E get the one wey dem dey say temperament, that one na you go dey see am, that is not just dem no just adopt am say you no fit dey see the children, you go dey see am. If na every week o, you go dey see the children dey come back. That one, this one wey dem dey call definitive, when dem say na definitive, na that one the person wey adopt am na im come be the mama, na im come be the, you understand na. Na that one na dem dey call definitive, or if you wan adopt children. Like say these children now like say dem no be like say dem still dey minorenne. May I say minorenne, that is they never reach dem say they still dey under 18. I for not talk for this matter, you understand, because na that one Italian dey call di violazione di minore, di violazione di immagine di minore, you understand. I cannot talk put, but as say the children don pass 18 years, na make me talk put, because e no come be di violazione again, you understand. So na the original mother na come dey look for the children. I don't know whether na understand, because I still know small law wey still dey for Italy, you understand. So wetin make me talk put na because of say the children they don pass 18 years, so you fit talk. Because if you talk for wetin no like say they never reach 18 years, you go dey talk, you know, na that the violation you fit get problem for it. Italian people they no dey eat person. The Italian people dem be, me I just talk say dem be number one for, if you dey talk say to defend children, to defend at least for the whole Europe, because dem dey very severe, you know wetin dem call severe, dem dey very straightforward. If dem see say I dey look for topic to, okay, if dem see say you no fit take care of your children, then dey do am really, dem go collect that children, dem go collect the pikin for your hand. No be definitive. That one no be definitive. They will collect and you go dey see am, then they watch you as you take dey do with the children. The person wey dem give, that is fidament, that fidament then they call am, they will fidare the children to another person. They will dey watch you as you take dey do with the children. If you go see the children, you understand. But this one now, as I tell no, na be like say the adult wey dem say adopt the children, na definitive na dem do am. You suppose to dey this one e be like say na definitivo. If you don't, that means if you na definitivo, that is the tutelar for the children, you no fit the your mama no fit go dey look for am till the pikin go reach 18 years. Be like say na that one na dem do so wetin me dey talk about, no mean say we go just say Gladys na this na that. Gladys don arrange your family. She don arrange her own family, say see my life, where my life go dey, you understand. So his sister no arrange your family before they say I want born my children. Make you not come put your problem, come go join another person. You dey understand? I no say Gladys do am well wey no go dey look for that children. Make una try, make una understand wetin I dey talk. Everybody go get your problem. Shey una understand? Even say you marry black sef, if you marry some black, e go even tell you say that your family problem, just package am for one corner and no fit. Talk like you say oyibo wey no be our own, you understand? We no be the same, no, we no dey think the same way when they tell they think. They no dey, I don't know whether Gladys know where the children dey. So that is all, you understand? So for me, like say this woman really say she wan look for her own children, okay, don't tell where you say come out for prison, as you go meet as you go Facebook, no even mention Gladys, say you be Gladys sister, because make you no go complicate everything. I don't know whether not they understand, because if you want talk something, just do one for your own body, not carry another person. I be sister of this one, that one no, or my name is not dey at all. Find your children as you want to find now, not call another person, because you know say if you can't call another person, problem go come jam, come out, come out. As you come and say they look for your children, now not be even say there, now there you want go look for your children, my sister. Not be there you want go look for your children. I know say there's many people there for. I know say now she be her sister. Me I tell you one thing. Now sister, me I tell you one thing. If na definitive na it dem do, Mama Gladys not get right to go look for that children. Na make me tell, because many people not understand wetin be temperament. They never understand. Temperament, you fit go dey see the children, but when they don decide, of course, and she even talk and say she not be only the sister wey she get for. I don't want me and they read the comment, me and they talk. If na temperament, you go dey check for the children, go dey look for am, you understand, before they will write, they will say definitive. When they go come be definitive, even Mama Gladys not get the right to go dey look for the children, because na definitive. You understand? I no fit as I take talk am, because many people, if they dey for Italy, maybe understand wetin I dey talk, they will know wetin I dey talk. Na true. Na Mama, if medicine wey adopt that children, that person get cool mind, wey get good mind, na that one na e go dey, you know say some people if they adopt, make they tell am everything, the truth. Even they not tell am your mama get sister for year, they will change everything. And you go tell am say if you don reach 18 years, you fit go look for your so this one, may we not blame, because the woman, she also posting here do or bed dog and no yalo be enjoy or na ko se koda for ibani. Na make am sit down with your husband too much. Everybody get your problem for a house. As she go take find the children now, she even go prison for fighting. I understand, because go in that prison, come out, all those children, okay, they will don't go another country, because sometimes when they adopt that children, that two of them, they will separate. Because you just think now these children, they're not there for. Understand? So the only way where this woman will take find, where go say get that children, she really ready, because not be today she come out for Nigeria. I don't know whether I don't give whether I don't they look for the children before. The only Madam almost said the only way, not the good day. I don't know what the network. After September, bad network. The network just a mess up. I don't know what it did. I don't know whether now the year for year, because me I change the position where I did. The network no. The network in now. So for me, the only way where this Madam Omo said they go still get these children. From September, I get the program where they do for telly, where they look for people where they adults, all this family issue, then they talk am for them. If you still get their picture, find person where go give you the contact. Through there, you go get your children, because we will not put everything for Mama Gladys. We will not put everything for your head. Everybody get e own. Everybody get e own. Now understand? So Mama Gladys, Emi Yanuwa Tabe no Deni, I was ashamed. No, no concern my sister. No, I beg. Nobody be evil for you. I beg. Nobody will not get it. Oh, even me where they talk, so I get my oh. My family not dey perfect, but I know come live video me I come dey talk am. You understand? Princess, maybe they talk about 2 years ago when she come out from. You know, say maybe not be everything they go they talk for this live video. Maybe they talk and for inside there. If she call her, no worry, I go try my best. You understand? I believe Mama Gladys know where the children. If you know where it dey, if you don't know where it dey, you understand? So if Mama Gladys, me I come beg you, per favore, con tutto cuore, se tu lo sai, se tu lo sai dove questi ragazzi non sono bambini ancora, sono già grandi, sono ragazzi, per favore, con la cuore di mamma, mi hai giusto italiani, con la cuore di mamma, se tu lo sai dove questi ragazzi, a tua sorella è sempre tua sorella. A mia mena ya kbo vije no matter how. Vije so awemi, okay ke no mo piano ya finye ori efua. But just because of the love of that children, you go do am. If you know where the children dey, but if you don't know where it dey, anywhere where you feel help your sister, may you forget that your children. Now that one, per favore. Per favore, as a mother, if you just even though say you get information, Bella John, I don't know whether you know, you understand what I felt talk just now. If na definitive or adults na dem do adoption, and they talk am. If na definitive or she no go know where these children dey, na me they tell you, believe me. If na definitive, if not be definitive, go they know where they dey, go they they go they call and go they see the children. But if na definitive, for law Italy, you no fit put your hands. As I say, you no fit cross. You understand? Because those people wey adopt and they don't be their parents 100%. As I talk, 100%. You understand what I dey talk? I don't know as I explain that to una. Yeah, because some parents they know where their children dey. They know where. I just pray may everything settle. Of course, everything go dey settle, my sister. Princess, everything go dey settle. Nothing wey no go dey settle. At least if your sister really say she wan find those children, because they not be baby again, they don't grow. You know, say many things where they don't put for where they don't tell them, where they don't put for their head. That love you go na small now you go come get am. If really say this madam almost said they really want these children, she go fight am. Make she start to the fight am from September. Get the program wey they do for Italy. Everybody wey dey Italy they know am. True telling, you go fit get your own children. Explain, not put anybody. Now so my sister no one hold am, now so my sister hold am. Leave that one. Find your children. Now that one na dey important pass. Now that one only dey important is say even the man I not even hear say okay, like the one where Mama Gladys talk say he say may go borrow money for bank. How you go tell you say may go borrow money? What of the man wey born the children for? Or even they not go do am, go borrow money. They never even borrow for their self. So like they say they'll go borrow for your sister may take. You know all these many things where Mama Gladys talk where I not support her. I not support her. Me I not they support bad because everybody get it. Oh, so may people when they do live video, may they not just they condemn Mama Gladys na bad person. You not feel your sister children. I beg, not be so. More na they follow the law way there for Italy because. If you follow the law, because she marry Oyibo, she still know the law where it did there. You understand? She go still know. If she say she not know na lie. So if maybe so Mama Gladys, per favore, se tu lo sa, qualsiasi informazione, no? Where these children dey. If you know anything, not do it because of your sister, do it because of just do am because of that good mind wey you say you get. You understand? Na beg na dey. Forget about wetin pass. Ami vije so no ma mi vije nere ma. O ma mi jobo ya we hoy. Forget. Me no go gwana vitali mere mare. Forget. Ami vije no ma, mi vije nere madama. Vije so awe mi okeke no ri opiano ya fin ori fo. O ma mi we wa ge egbe wo paje. Ami o na ero egbe. Me no negu we gwana me no rime. So may we forget the past. Just for that money I got thinking where our abandon for years. Nobody know we ask for them. Even a side there I'm asking. Even a side DG I'm ask. Just for that one. Do not any information. La wo. Mama Gladys lao. Since we ovijene o ekenu se mega lelwe se ovije ikpe kaneze mami enyo ko to na me wo ibe koda wo be on to senye wo bere mana ma understand imegi do imi we nya wa mi amena ya kpo ovije no matter how no matter otwe no di on working. So when you no atabe no deni, I was hungry. Ekora abalome, but he didn't understand the way you was on pain. So my sister, what if they could down saying, "Oh mommy, where were when or after I was working?" But rule that just because of that good mind, not any woman, because of you are still doing charity something. Man, una any information anywhere, no one set getting money. Be the contact la di ne. Do manave on we wa give ni ka yetabania where I felt speak English I don't yeah. But I'm not very no say if I talk to my Benin people now so if you get any information maybe your sister or fit get those children please in the name of God bring that information out. If you not get and say na definitive on then do say nothing you will fit where you not get anywhere where you tell look for the children. May you try as you say you still there for Torino. You know say that they do all this program for telly. Try to contact bring the information out. You know say anything where don't come out for telly you must see am. You must see them. You must see that children. Maybe the children they're not there for Italy again. Maybe they're there for Brazil. Maybe maybe the other one go there for America. You know, and that's what they happen with the people were there for Italy. Then they see all this program. Then they do. So now that one let me come beg you. I understand. Say the man they prison that time, but you know say not be Gladys be the husband. So may we not just condemn this sister. Say Gladys in a woman said it. Why you not hold your children? Why your sister children? Everybody get you. Oma no me ota when name knock back. Na lie. I not be only Gladys be her sister way dey here. But hey one way ya John way. Rudo marebo. Yo. People they think say people wey marry Oyibo that they pluck money for inside tree. Na inside money na there for the bath. No, not be so. Everybody get you. I know. Now because of the children, just because of the children, because you know what your that children don't pass. Because I know say that they small when they adult them. They would think say my father just abandoned me. My mother even abandoned me. Even my mama sister, you know many things go down there their brain. They feel still their Facebook. They will just they look now. They go they laugh. You understand? They go they look now. They will just they laugh because you know say some people if they are adult children they get many things when they tell them for their for the children. Your mother don't die, your father don't do this. Some parents they will go adult. Not you go just tell the truth. Go say when you don't reach 18 years. I don't know how old. Maybe they small that time. Bella, no. Maybe they small that time. You know, say if okay now because they small because nobody say they be adult before they call adult them. I think maybe they will day like maybe 10 or I don't know how many years. But they say they don't grow now. You understand? So Mama Gladys, per favore, con tutto il cuore, if you know anything, even though say you don't know, with that mind where you say you get good heart, I beg, take and help your sister because as she dey Nigeria, na small thing she go fit do. na small thing na she go fit do for that side. So when no see na kataba na we ovije ne o ekenu se mega lelu ese ovije because since we go down in your worry man where you can't know everything where you go fit do to find out children. May you try by all means. I know say no easy or my easy because you know say those children don't then be adults now, they don't grow. So you understand, go get a CB. If na lawyer side or if na this program when they do for tell you fine now, they find even people, some children they were they are adult, some go there for America, they go adult, or some go even there for Africa, they go find now with the date of birth. With the date of birth, they go fit still look for those children. Sometimes they fit change their surname. Sometimes they fit change the name. But with that date of birth, they'll fit still look for those children. So may you forget everything where your sister do you. So me my name okay. Understand? Me over that vision not working your mass error. So for me, I not come here can't judge you, say you dey bad or say your sister dey bad. Wait till I don't know, but na person na born that children. Okpe abio before Mama Gladys. Of course, now the children we need now. They go see them now with time. But not be waiting. They will use quarrel to look for. You understand? Now no, if quarrel come, nothing go nothing go front. Now with good heart, everything. And this one wait till you know you go bring command. This one wait till you know you go bring command. Now so they will tell look for the children. And because it's not easy like that. Say I defend my children. Even maybe sometimes if you go lawyer place, go tell you say I no fit do anything. Don't pass many years. You understand? But all this program where they do for telling, Mama Gladys go still know this program where they talk about soon. Maybe by September they will start to the do one. We there you go fit find those children come and you fit find them. You understand? Because since their mother they look for the children, then we go see them now with patience. Na do aye zoyata abemi no gbera na we come dey bring am come out. Na so you be this, na so you not be that, na so you do that. So all that one, my sister beg, forget. Help those children. Do it for the sake of your children. If when you making, they are still your children also. I don't buy biomo wagbon. Not because of waiting your sister do you to punish the children where she born. You understand? Say I not go look for them, even though I know where they are not go tell you. Even though I get information, I not go tell you. No, not one. Forget. Or where anything where they do for this life, you know they do it because of that person. Now God, now we they do everything for. Cheposta Pete, you even know Maria de Filippi. You know see enjoy even know. You see, Cheposta Pete, then they do one. You see anything, then they even they do one. Even this Rauno, they even they do get one way Abano Carez even they do. Lontano Vicino. I don't know whether I was some people were there they understand this thing where they talk. So even for 30 years, people they never see they'll come meet. So may we not use all this. Try to look for. May we look for place where they dey. Even though say they no one see their mother again, but make she just get the contact. You know, because you know say not easy to adopt small pikin go come grow, but that love don't push come out. It not be as before. But make she just know say they still there alive, still they contact them. Maybe one day she fit get visa, she go greet them. You know, na that one. So wala wo na mwezona fwa. And my brothers and sisters, if una dey say una marry, una dey stay with una husband, beg. Don't be say this one go dey for Kaduna, the other one go dey for Sokoto. Ware kompa, Obama ya don le mion maji, Obama ya don le mion maji, Mama Gladys, you try. Even though say I no want, enter with everything. It no easy, It no easy. Like say na. Because now Igbo na she marry, una know as Igbo they do their thing. No gbagba. If na so Igbo where Mama Gladys all this thing where she talk yesterday, because I listened to where she they talk yesterday. If na so Igbo, the marriage for don't break. Now know wetin they call my nyash put. Oyibo they no wan hear am. They no wan hear am. Go say make you all follow your sister or make you come. I no want problem. She try because on our people wey no dey Italy, wey no understand the law wey dey. Na if you for the talk say, hey, madam, he knock back. Anything wey just plan for your sister, they'll just put am say you join her. They'll just start to dey enter inside detail for your everything wey you don do, the time wey you take on this Europe, you know. Na so Italy take dey do their thing. Na so Italy take dey do. They no wan make dem use ear take ear. If they hear say maybe una talk, I'm glad the evil get luck say she not go inside the time wey her sister dey prison. Because anything where you talk with your sister say, your children don't come, they'll say na another thing that they talk about. So may we not to blame her too much, I beg. May we not to blame her because not be only she na be the sister where Madam Mosefi get for abroad. Ogwa work bogesi. Ona even no ya lobi no wa say we no have ya lobi enjoy. So Mama Gladys, I can't beg you. So Madam Mosede, if you really say you want that's your children, please make peace with Mama Gladys. Now only she go fit help you. Now only that one I know. Now only she go fit help you. Wetin make me talk say now only she go fit help you. Now she dey grand. I believe say no be she say she know where the children dey, she no want tell you. No, they get in on me ever. Jawe gbe ga ya bonye ne do. Ekeni na hot we, ba na be hot egbe. Any gain no ba no me ever where I know where the children dey, I go take and suffer you. You know, any gain not dey there. No gain. When I suffer now, you take they suffer your sister, and so you still they take and suffer those children where maybe they still they look for their mother, they don't know where they want to start. So me, I can't beg una. Everybody where they made the thought say Mama Gladys na evil, na that one. If una no know wetin they go on, wanna no just shook and put like that. Wanna not shook and put. Emye so rawa mi emye so. A family where who batato where you who to lemu. Who leg berawa. So everybody get their own. We get our own. Nothing. I mean, no me hata we was on mana set dot we 20 knock. So I beg, may we just make peace reign. Mama Gladys, me I can't beg you, as a mother, if you know any information, give to your sister. Because many people thought say she know where the children dey, she no want talk. If not definitive, she no know. Na me they tell na so. Like say na not be definitive or then do one. Now she go say she no fit talk say she no know where those children dey. Definitive, they don't talk and bang. Nobody feel you no fit tell say where the children. Now the children will come find you. Now that one be definitive. Now the children when they will grow down, now they will come find you say I want me I find my children, my mother. I want me I find my father because they don't grow, they don't be adult, they don't. When you reach 18 years, even though say that tomorrow you complete 18 years, tomorrow you get the audacity, you get the right way to say I want to go look for my real parents. So may we not to blame her if we don't know all this thing where they go on. May we not to blame the woman. So now that one. So Mama Omosede, as you there for Nigeria, I know say the thing they pay you now make you carry and come social media say you they look for your children. Maybe they feel say your sister no want help you. Why she not go help you? All 20. She even talk and even when she dey cry yesterday, she even dey talk and say, "Na my sister help me finish it. Na my sister help me build that toilet where she dey do before." So all this thing I beg me, they beg everybody. So we go see the children as with time, but not with quarrel. If now we quarrel, we not. I as a mom and J-Rock, but we not go see it. We not go anywhere. So the best thing with peace, Mama Gladys. Otwen no dion you know. Ya imi otwen ma on. Emi ya no time no that thing where you talk yesterday. It too much. Obungbe. Orijwe no. Otwen no dion. Otion ma no dion. Maybe no woman say na agbe yen. Ama you just carry and come live video. It's very bad. More time way otwen no dion. Yeti ro yo. Many things where I don't receive for, I not better. I know they talk. Or tell me not dion. And maybe now where maybe no. Forget. Call am. I know say na with ouni yaga no. Ouni ya. But I control temper well. It's very bad. Madam Mo said ora be mi an we my sister. Ya wa mi na ya gbo wi je. Obo na ya gbo wi o ma be ya si eke gbe. O we no na your daughter. She talk and say na you senior. O we no. Ora mi wa ma be tie bono. If you see another person dey curse you, na she go come out or do that there. So make peace reign. I beg. I use God to beg everybody because those children, they don't grow. They go look for you. As you they look for them, maybe they say they look for you. Because maybe now the something will make you come and say, I want to look for my children. Maybe they are still looking for you. So make as you they do the Nigeria now. The easy way, now through Mama Gladys, now you take get that children. Any information. Even we still they talk so, you know, as we still they talk so, everything. Don't those children there anywhere with them. They nobody will not they look, will not they watch live video, will not they go YouTube. All these things go come out. One day we go see everything go cause. See my children where the fence is there. I beg. So man not to draw this woman. I want to make me utter wear this and that. It doesn't mean anything, but so that is that. From untouchable mama, my brothers and sisters, like that where that one where Joy talk, say Cheposta Pete, I think na Torino a day. May you tell no. So Mama Gladys still go talk to them. Say see wetin dey happen, my sister so as they don't reach 18 years they fit find them. Like I said, they still be minorenne, they no agree. Na violation in they call am violation in the minore. Na violation they no agree at all. Since they don't grow, they fit check, look for them and get them. That is that. I beg my brothers and sisters, make peace reign. Mama Gladys, they control am. Fight brava, Italiano they use until they talk say I pane sporco si lava in casa. No they or your family no they come they go for live video. E no good. Money, people wey you dey tell, you know the one where they get for their house. E many. No, they not come make they come they tell you. Like me now, come just come live video, come they tell you about my family and they tell do me, not tell do me. I'll keep out for myself. People where I want to tell, they get what they want tell me. They will get what they will tell me. Say, they will tell me. They'll say a bad family. I know. May I take on like that? What I feel do? Everybody get you. Good one day, bad one day. What you person go do? So may we try, may we put hands together, look for those boys and girls, that children where them they don't big, they don't be adults. So may we try, may they contact, may they get their mother contact. Not only that one, Not only that one. So if they don't get their mother contact, they go decide. They want me their mother dead their life. They don't want me their mother dead their life. Then they can't decide that time. Not be Mama Gladys go can't decide for them. So that is all. From Untouchable Mama, my brothers and sisters, remain blessed. I beg my sisters then. If you marry, they where your husband dey. No dey London, may your husband dey America. Only a was one. That one na was one. Dey with your husband. Only a word. Anything at all will happen. Na two of una. Don't be say you dey America, go there, I go say I dey married. That one I never marry. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, my brothers and sisters. Good night. Bye.